Hello there. Let's figure this out. Which fraction is larger? It's quite obvious 6 over 8 is smaller than 7 over 8. Here it is pretty simple because they both have common denominator 8. And as per the image, of course it's quite obvious that 7 over 8 is greater than 6 over 8. What about this one? How you will figure out in such situations that 5 over 6 is larger than 11 over 15? But as per the fraction 11 and 15 both are bigger number than 5 and 6, then how 5 over 6 is larger than 11 over 15? So here is the trick. When you will write 5 over 6 and 11 over 15, what you just need to do is multiply the denominators of the fractions with each other. 15 times 5, 75, and 6 times 11 is 66. That means 75 is larger than 66, which says that the first fraction 5 over 6 is larger than 11 over 15. Bingo, you got it.